Still Monday, later on, same day. Alright, that's what I made, these adapters. This one I have to send to the machine shop. They have to drill it for 180 millimeters, and because I don't have 180 millimeters drill bit, I need to send it to somebody else to do it for me. Alright, these dimensions here are okay, the inner dimension here it's okay. To press this bearing here, this is gonna come like that, so much up. Standing by for that. Now back over here. This comes like that to press this bearing here, and it comes here through the seal and goes like that. This one, it's for this bearing here, has half millimeter, half to 1 millimeter, something like that, the clearance to enter this bearing inside. This one here, this, it's exactly the same like here on the bearing, to have a support. I don't want to press the bearing in the middle or somewhere else, or the housing. I want to press only this one, only the inner. Has plenty of clearance, go full inside. Okay, another one important thing, you see now I have put the nylon bushings there inside that I'm replacing the bearings because of the swap. There is one thing, that these two need to be on the same height. This one, now with one hand it's not smart, okay, it's staying here. This and this, it has to end up to be on the same height and not to don't have a difference. These two need to be one piece. How I'm gonna do that? I'm gonna fix another one piece of aluminum that's gonna come nice and tight here, and here same thing. I'm gonna pass it from front, from the other side. I'm gonna support it properly, and then I'm gonna fix a frame to be together. I need to press both these bearings at once. Need to come inside at once. You cannot push it first this one and then that one. You see that's the same height, so I need to press together. It's fine, nothing that I cannot handle it. I might fix, let us say, for this another one spacer and make it a bit more high. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna end up. Alright, this, like I said, I need to send it to the machine shop to continue drilling it. Need 38 millimeter hole for 190 millimeters. 190, not 180, 190. Yeah. Continue, moving on. Just a small update for the adapters to be able to press the bearings. Thank you.